Hey everyone, it's what's today? Is it 21st today? Yeah. 21st of May, and obviously we're back out in Torrevieja after EasyJet's usual 1 hour flight delays, which is pretty much standard these days. So last night we got out quite late, and today's actually been really nice. It's been like 20 degrees, although it looks really grim, grey and horrible here. It's still nice and warm though, certainly compared to the UK. So tonight we're just heading over to the Torrevieja and Florida, and we're meeting up with a few people in Torrevieja, Florida, which is now, I'm pretty certain it's Nara Magnini, which is a bit of a chain of pubs out here. And from there we're all going for dinner down into the Great Greek. Obviously we all know we love the Great Greek because we're always in there, and quite a lot of other people are going there as well. So we're meeting Brits Living in Spain, so Bob, Helen and Andy of course, and then Get Me to Spain, which is Neil and Sue. So Get Me to Spain's another sort of relatively newish channel, but obviously another up and coming one in the area. I think they're actually based up in Casada, so a little bit further away. So we'll head down there and see what's going on. Just to wind you up. Arguments over
Please come high. It weren't recording that, Bob. You're going to watch it flashing red light.
I don't know about having frozen glasses in this weather. And then
yay! Let's put baby at the end of the table. Nobody puts baby at the table.
No,
wait.
I'm going to say, yeah, I'm going to say. That's great up there, yeah.
Are you not freezing, Graham?
What?
Are you not
I'm
freezing?
sat here thinking, fucking hell. They haven't got their own channel, but they're nice people, so.
Well, they have got their own channel, actually. I thought you did YouTube walks. I thought you were doing walks.
Now, what's going to happen is, it'll be interesting because you've got me filming him, filming me. Again. Which is the same on this.
Yeah, big.
So we went to Belgium and back with the new mic and everything else, and it's like, but I'll still get the end of it.
Yeah.
But GoPro on people's this. Without the fish eye. Without fish eye. That's this.
Ninja Ginger, weren't
No, the guy that was Butler was the Reg, I think.
Yeah, that's what we're
that
just
was married
talking
to
about.
Olive, really.
Horrible.
He was married to Olive.
Yeah, but the guy
that was shouting at. I don't know.
Olive was his sister.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so we all just met up down in Florida, Chaveza, Florida, which is now the Magnini, and we're trying to all get down to the Great Greek because we're booked in for dinner at 10 o'clock, but it's like trying to mobilise an army at the minute. We're trying to get this lot all up and moving.
Right.
I think that is ours.
There's no mod here, Rob.
That's a bit of a trek. Stay with my daughter.
Are we going to get set
Then my
built?
mum's in the nursing home.
I think that's going to
My daughter's house.
Okay, can we
Train station, then have to catch the train from Swansea to the jet, and then back from the jet. So it
Sounds a real
takes about 2-3 hours.
Family 1, Family 2, Family 3, Family 4.
Roof of her house for the people that were buying hers, and that didn't have not a massive tax bill, but it could be. Yes. But we thought either that or that money that we're going to have for 6 months, which probably would be more our capital gains taxes. So, because Jeremy was really good, he said to us, you know, why would we want to go on holiday when we've got our own property? We could be spend the same amount of money. We're either going to have a holiday.
I bet your fingers in the shot.
Just say what you're saying.
Anyway, I was giving it a yawn, and I know I'm looking at
Jazz is talking about you.
Exactly. That's natural, it's normal.
So we locked the other
I didn't invite him today, but she's not over me. I said, look, we're going for drinks if you want.
The one we're waiting.
Yes, please.
Keep pumping you with all these questions, Sue.
It's fine.
So the 4 to 6. So it's the yeah.
What have you got there?
Peppers with garlic.
And a pepper.
They are incredibly hot. I've just discovered. They are hot.
It's £6.90 each, and then for the renewal, £3.95 each.
So this one coming up for year 1 now.
Yeah, we've just done it for the last couple of weeks.
That again was year round.
It was £6.90, but then there was a few other little bits.
Maybe like another couple of hundred for the
Be quick.
60 days.
Oye, llamas.
Yamas. We're still waiting, so we'll join you belatedly.
I've got wine if you want wine. Yeah, so just before Christmas, we got an email saying, you know, you're coming up in January. So in the I've got. It's expensive. I'll take your word for it. I don't
Quality
Really nice. So what am I going to bread with it? You need to tell what ham on your board.